Hello Year 6 and welcome to Tuesday's maths lesson. So for today you need this book, this one, and you need page 38. We are only going to do page 38 today, okay, because I want you to really focus on what you are doing because again it is new learning. So it will be something you've probably seen before, but it's the first time we've done it this year together, okay? So it's this one using data on page 38. So at the top you will see that you've got a graph, okay? So all of your questions today are on this graph here, okay? So it's about a race between two people, Janet and John. So you'll see here, John's line is the little tiny dots and Janet's is the dashes. Okay, so that's really important when you come to the questions to make sure that you are looking at the correct line when you are answering the questions. Okay, now on the bottom, we've got the time that it took them. And at the side here, we've got the distance that they ran in that time. Okay, so that's what your graph is about. So the first question then, how far does John run in the first 10 minutes? Okay, so what you need to do for this one is you need to find 10 minutes. I'll get in a position that you can see. So here's 10 minutes, and then you've got to follow the line up until you find John's line, which is the little dots, remember. Now, once you've met, so from 10 minutes all the way up to John's line, once you've got there, go across to the side to see how far he has run. Okay, I'm just going to bring it a little bit closer to me so I can see as well. So here's 10 minutes, up we go to John's line, the little dots, and then across, and it's in between 2 and 4. So this line here must be 3. Okay. So then, how long does it take Janet to run the first 4 kilometres? So this time you've got to start on this side. So start at 4 kilometres, go along until you get to Janet's line, okay? Which is remember the ones that are the longer dashes. When you get to Janet's line, go down and see how many minutes. And remember, this goes up in 5s, okay? It might be that it's in between 15 and 20. So you've got to think, could it be 16, 17, 18 or 19? Okay. Right, how long does it take John to run 10 kilometres? So the same, you start on the kilometres here. So start on 10, go across until you get to John's line, which is there. Go down and see how many minutes it took him. So how far is Janet and John's race? Okay, so you've got to find out when they finish here how far it is. So how far is it? Apart from at the start of the run, at what time are they both Janet and John at the same point? So you've got to find out where their lines meet, and it's here. And it asks you what time they were at the same point. So find that and go down to the time. Janet has a break during her run. How long does she rest for? Now, when it's a break, that means that she stays still. So it's this flat bit here. So how long? So it goes across 2 boxes. How long does she have a break for? Remember, it goes up in 5s. So each box is, okay, so it goes up in 5s. So have a think about that. And then how much longer does it take Janet to finish the race than John? So here, John finishes here, where his little dots finish, and Janet finishes there. So how long is it in between here? So use these boxes to help you. Okay, so I'm only giving that page to you today. Okay, so you can really focus on reading the graph carefully. But remember, any problems, please get in touch. Have fun.